I'm not sure if you guys can see, but Jane Doe has started to build her nest back there. It's looking like she might do what she's supposed to this time. Good luck, Miss Jane. Have lots of happy, healthy babies for us, okay? As the days have gotten shorter, the chickens have gotten less productive and more bitey. This one particularly is kind of mean to me. Hey, Derpy. Even Derpy's bit me a couple times here lately. I don't know who this one is, but I don't like her. She's unfriendly. Yeah, we got nothing. Nothing in here. They did build this nest on top of the leftover straw. You know, in my luck, they'll all lay eggs in there and they'll fall and they'll all smash or something. But if it makes them happy, that's fine. Hello, Derpy. There's Ducky. Ducky's doing good. Happy hens. Lay some happy chicken eggs. Well, it's been a few days, and I do believe that Miss Jane had some babies. Not sure if you can see the pile of fur. I can't get any closer. But it was moving yesterday like there were some babies hiding down in there. So you did good, Miss Jane. I hope they're alright. We won't be able to get in there to check on them for another week or so until they get a little older. Good job, Miss Jane. Well, we had more desserts than people at Thanksgiving this year. So the chickens get a whole pumpkin pie. You guys think they're going to like it? They seem to be pretty big fans. Not sure that it's going to last very long. Well, I still haven't been able to get in there to check and see how the baby bunnies are doing. I know they're there. I hope they didn't get too cold. I'm very excited for baby bunnies. I hope it all works out. Well, happy Thanksgiving, chickens. Thanksgiving's a lot better for a chicken than a turkey, huh? You guys get to eat. Turkeys get to get eaten. Oh, Derpy got in there. Well, I hope everybody had a happy Thanksgiving. The chickens enjoyed theirs. I was a few days late on when the bunnies were going to be born. I thought it was going to be on a Wednesday. It ended up being on a Sunday. I was pretty far off, really. It got cold the night after she had them, so kind of worried about them. Hopefully we'll be able to get in there and check on them by, I don't know, next Wednesday. Not the day this video comes out, a week after that, when I think I'm going to try to get in there. But anyway, enjoy the rest of your pie, chickens. You're about halfway done with it already. It didn't take very long at all. Everybody seems to be a big fan. Alright. Bye-bye, chickens.